Hello friends, today's topic short-term rally in these stocks. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The last few days our markets have given short-term investors a great opportunity to make profits. In just the last 1 week, many stocks appreciated significantly. The good end to the financial year 2023-24, I mean the financial year, not the calendar year. Nifty has rallied by almost 2% in the last 1 week, and the individual stocks have rallied 5 to 10% during this time. This has resulted in a very good profits. Personally, we have made good profits, and we are sure many of our workshop graduates and channel members would have made good profits too. If you knew technical analysis, then you would have made good profits too. This is a reminder for our graduates who do short-term trading to be alert for opportunities. The following are some of the examples of the profit which have been made in the month of March 2024. In most of these stocks, we have made some of the profits in our personal account. Nifty graph November-March 2024. It was 19,444 a while ago, 21,462, 21,740, 22,000 and 22,125 and going up now. Profits made in Nifty 50 stocks March 2024. Number 1, company L&T 10%, 2, Titan 5%, 3, Eicher Motors 5%, 4, Bajaj Finance 11%, 5, ITC 5%, 6, Maruti Suzuki 11%, 7, Bharti Airtel 9%, 8, IndusInd Bank 5%, 9, Hindalco 6%, 10, HDFC Life 8%. Now going further, profits made in Nifty next 50 stocks March 2024. Pidilite Industries 10%, HAL 6%, Cholamandalam Investment 6%, Indigo Airlines 14%, Jindal Steel 8%. There is a chance that the rally may continue and some of these stocks may provide further profits in the coming days. So watch out for the technical analysis, indications and take action accordingly. Regarding today's topic, please note, number 1, this video has been made to motivate investors to be alert for opportunities to make profits in the short term. 2, sometimes when it looks unlikely that the market will rally, you are surprised that you may get good profits in just a few days. This is what happened in March 2024. 3, while taking decisions for short-term trades, don't just buy based on gut feeling or some tips. Do complete technical analysis based on what you have learned in the workshop and follow the rules accordingly. 4, short-term profits are only like pocket money to take care of small expenses. Corpus you create from long-term investments is the main benefit from the stock markets. Don't think the opposite. Number 5, if you are a graduate of our workshop, did not take advantage of the recent rally to make some profits, you need to ask yourself why you missed it. Markets does not give opportunities to buy every day. However, when it gives us opportunity for short term, we need to capitalize on it. End of the video, here is a question. Are you satisfied with the performance of your overall portfolio in this financial year? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.